It's a year away, but you can already feel the energy. What is Vybz Island?
We're cruising on a different altitude here tonight at the launch of the Vybz Island Experience. Intense fun.
Me love how you style the place. Me love how you wind your waist up and down like a yo-yo. You feel set me in love with it.
Just being here with the vibe, the energy, the people. I see a lot of other creators that I know here. This has been a great experience so far.
Get your head tight. Bad man, a Saturday night or your dead night.
Dare I say I'm better than dancehall. What do you want to say with a year contribution to dancehall? How do you think you've elevated the culture and the genre as a whole?
It shifted the diaspora in terms of youthfulness of producers. But then you know the elder them that, like Jammies, etc., Donovan Jermaine. So like we know as youths open that door there. They don't say, yo, we can do it.
All about the look.
Sure, it's straight from Africa. The designer lives in Jamaica currently, but the fabric is from Africa. She has a store in Florida, and she just believes in bringing Africa to us, and she's doing that with clothing.
Turn around, be a snap.
Once you're on the cruise, then you have access to all the events. You don't have to pay any additional.
Yeah, the amount that you pay for your booking, it covers everything. Food, all the events, the concerts, alcohol, everything.
Browning says she travel with another partner.
So Da Vinci, you performed here tonight at the launch of the Vybz Island Cruise. What was that like for you? How's the energy from the crowd?
Very, very good. You know, it's always high energy. You know, a real singer, always come out and give them the hits, them and all the vibe to the people and what them love.
Dream Weekend's initial excursion into the cruise business, the Vybz Island Experience with Vybz Kartel.
We couldn't ask for a better collaboration, and we're so excited.
And it's nothing but love.
Body good girl, you know sicky. Me make your cream.
Cruise is going to be amazing, fantastic. I cannot wait, you know what I mean? Because, you know, seeing that time the 007 of Jamaica, you know, I have to save the day.
I'm glad I come today. I've never been on a cruise, but I feel like for this, you know, the entertainment, the performances, it's gonna be a good vibe. Traveled all the way here just for this launch. Why was it that important to you?
I mean, it was important just to show respect and show love. The whole thing is they're doing something new. So I wanted everybody to know that we're really supporting them, and it's not just getting a check. Like, we really support them, and hopefully we can be doing this 10 years down the line.
I know you're used to, like, you know, the Dream Weekend and that type of party, but we're taking it onto the scene now. What went into that?
Well, it's not our first time. So we did a Dream Weekend cruise in 2019. The McGregor family were our partners on that cruise. So it's really just bringing the family back together.
Honestly, the one thing that me and my girls always look forward to whenever we're going somewhere is just a nice, curated party with good vibes and good music, and that is something that you will get every single day on Vybz Island Experience.
I still can't wrap my head around 3 days and 28 events. Hey, the Vybz Island Experience sounds like it's gonna be intense.
We'll be there, so look out for us. Now it's time for the Intense 5. Let's go. iShowSpeed recorded a song and video for the World Cup, and guess what? FIFA authorized it.
To the end. We gotta dream till we win. Give me the cup, the championship. Told him I'm bringing it back to the crib.
Why not? A winner's worries. You remember that Jamaican youth who won a plane from Mr. Beast? Yeah, him, Captain Jabari Treasy Brown, was briefly detained in Paraguay this week after authorities reportedly found 577 pounds of cannabis aboard a plane he was co-piloting. Investigators say Treasy had no knowledge of the drugs, so they had to free him up. Reports estimate the seizure to be worth roughly $3.6 million US. Wow. Raheem Sterling arrested. Football star Raheem Sterling was reportedly arrested in Hampshire on suspicion of drug driving following an incident involving his Lamborghini recently. The baller was also allegedly found in possession of a Class C drug and failed to provide a specimen. Then Raheem, what really are going on there, sir? Idris Elba knighted. He may not be the next James Bond, but Idris Elba is officially one of the UK's newest knights. The actor and producer was honored by King Charles at Windsor Castle this week for his contributions and charitable work. And finally holding the spot this week, Boxing Day release for Squash. Dancehall artist Squash is now officially set to be released from US federal custody on December 26, 2026. According to updated prison records, this moves his release up to just a month earlier than expected. But a win is a win. That's it for the Intense 5 tonight. Follow us on IG and TikTok at TVJ Intense for lots more. Up next, Juba says he's ready to take over dancehall. Intense soon forward.